Pax Christi and good morning, Benedictines, and welcome to Speech Lesson 2.3. We are still on the consonant sounds. However, the lesson is now about the point of articulation. So let us first begin by reading today's learning targets. I can classify the different consonant sounds according to the point of articulation, such as letter A, labial, letter B, labiodental, letter C, linguadental, letter D, alveolar, letter E, alveopalatal, letter F, velar, letter G, palatal, and letter H, glottal. Now, what is the point of articulation? The point of articulation refers to the speech organs used in producing the consonant sounds, such as the teeth, the tongue, the lips, the hard palate, the velar or the soft palate, and the ridge. Here on the screen, you can see the different speech organs. This is the alveopalatal area. This is the alveolar ridge, or we shall call them alveolars. The teeth is known as the dentals. The lips are known as labials. The palate, the hard palate, is known as palatals. Then we have here the velum, which are known as velars. The uvula, which is known as the uvulars. And then the pharynx, which will be called pharyngeals. And here we have the glottis, which will be called glottals. So these speech organs are very vital in producing the different sounds of the phonetic English alphabet. The following now are the classification of consonants according to the point of articulation. First off, we have labials. Labial consonant sounds are produced by pressing the two lips together. So we have 4 labial consonant sounds. We have the letter B with the sound B as in bell. We have the letter P as the sound P in people. We have the letter W in the sound W as in the word wedding. And we have the letter M with the sound M as in the word marriage. The second classification is called linguadentals. Linguadental sounds are produced by placing the tip of the tongue against the upper teeth and letting the air pass through. So we have 2 linguadental consonant sounds. The first one is the theta, which stands for the soft th or the th sound, as in the word thumb. Then we have the other symbol, which stands for the hard th or the th sound, as in the word father. Now let's proceed to the third classification of consonant sound according to the point of articulation. We have labiodental, and labiodental sounds are produced by placing the lower lip against the front teeth, the front upper teeth. So we have the letter F as in the sound f by the word favor. Then we have the letter V as in the consonant sound v, as in the word valiant. Moving on to the fourth classification of consonant sounds according to the point of articulation, we have the fourth one, which is known as the alveolar. And the alveolar sounds are the sounds that are produced with the tip of the tongue touching the upper tooth ridge. We have 4 alveolar consonant sounds, and these are the following. The letter T, as in the sound T in the word trust. The letter D, as in the sound D in the word dinner, the letter N as in the sound N in the word nurse, and the letter L, which has the sound L as in the word light. The fifth classification of consonant sounds according to the point of articulation is known as alveopalatal. Alveopalatal consonant sounds are produced with the tip of the tongue touching the upper tooth ridge and allowing air to escape through a narrow passage between them. So we have two alveopalatal consonant sounds. The first one is the ch sound in the word channel, and also the second sound is the sound j, as in the word justice. The sixth classification of consonant sounds according to the point of articulation is known as velar, and the velar consonant sounds are produced by the action of the back of the tongue against the roof of the mouth. So we have three velar consonant sounds. The letter K, which has the consonant sound k, as in the word kick start. The letter G, which has the g consonant sound, as in the word grace. And the NG, which has the n sound, as in the word swimming. Now, the seventh classification of consonant sound according to the point of articulation is known as palatal, and palatal consonant sounds are produced by allowing the air to escape through a narrow passage between the tongue and the tooth ridge. So we have here six palatal consonant sounds. The first one is the letter S with the consonant sound S, as in the word strength. Then we have the letter Z, as in the Z consonant sound from the word zeppelin. Then we have the letter R, as in the consonant sound R, as in the word runner. Then on the other side, we have the SH, which has the consonant sound sh, as in the word shatter. Then we have the ZH, as in the consonant sound zh, found in the word montage. Then finally, we have the Y letter, as in the consonant sound y, found in the word yard. The last classification of consonant sound according to point of articulation is the glottal sound, and glottal consonant sounds are produced using the glottis, and there is only one glottal consonant sound, and that is the letter H with the consonant sound as in the word hibernate. Now, that brings us to the end of our speech lesson 2.3 on the point of articulation of the consonant sounds. Now let us have our activity in speech 2.3.